Anybody ever played baseball, tennis? Anybody ever played any kind of sports? Yeah? Baseball, right? So Barry Bonds once said the ball doesn't even affect me anymore. The game slows down. The reason why it slows down is because of muscle memory. He has this motion completely and utterly muscle memory. So the goal is for you to get this as muscle memory. So you walk, talk, chew gum, and pick up the girl's phone number all at the same time. Okay? Vamos. My daughter was looking at me, you better not be picking up the phone. Don't worry, one of the girls gave me their number. If I behave good, they'll give me the other seven. Forward and top. Here we go. Ready? Let's speed it up. And forward, 2, 3. Tap, así, dame una. 5, 6, 7. Around 2, 3. Dime que no. Back 2, 3. Forward 2, 3. Dame. 5, 6, 7. Dos con dos. 5, 6, 7. Y. Dile que no. Adiós, Colemona. Ready, set, go. And 1, 2, 3. 6 over. Chufla. Recoge. Picalante. Dile que no. Dame. 5, 6, 7. Picalante. Dile que no. Vacila. Hasta abajo. Go. Picalante. Dile que no. Dame. 5, 6, 7. Dos con dos. 5, 6, 7. And dile que no. Dame. 5, 6, 7. Evelyn. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Rounding. Dile que no. Dame. Picalante. Dile que no. Evelyn, one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Exhibe. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Oh, back 2 and stop. Ooh.